One good day, this one is Range Rover Walk, and today we are placing its starting battery. This battery is located in the trunk of this vehicle. And we will be showing you all the tiny details and precautions. The battery is placed right here. This one is previously installed faulty battery. And we will plug in 95 ampere lithium battery, Bata G14. This one is G14 95 VGM, the one recommended for this vehicle. Always make sure to open these terminals. As you can see, these terminals are properly clamped. They are touching the surface. You can see these are all the 4 core that were raised due to the previously installed faulty battery. These are must always replace an AGM battery in these upper models, newer models. Now I'm playing all the DTCs. As you can see, all the 4 codes are now gone. For watching Bajaj Sons Pakistan.